Okay, now we can go left onto heading of 030. Or make it 035 because of crosswind. No, that's fine. 2000 is fine. And we just go a little bit further and we'll turn round. Okay, now you can turn left. And if you just keep 2,000 feet initially. So that's the runway we're going to land on. That's your radius of turn, so you can take a bit of bank off.
I can take the
no, it's that curve. You can take the bank off. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we'll be landing in a few minutes. Okay.
Is it gonna tie up?
Okay, go straight for a minute. Take the bank off a bit. Take the bank. No, just go straight. Yeah, go straight for time being. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there's a runway out there. We're going to land on the right. Okay. And we can put the landing gear down now. Okay, because we got the wind behind us, you can start the turn, roll to the left, and keep an eye on the runway, and you're on about 2.5 degrees pitch up. 2.5 degrees pitch up is good, yeah. And you're looking at the runway as you come round. I'll give you flaps 15.
The runway left?
On the one on the right.
On the right?
Yeah, the right,
okay.
yeah. I don't mind anyone you like, really. Whichever's easiest. Yeah, traffic control don't mind today.
So we'll be landing this one or this one? We are now in the middle.
Yeah, well, should we go on the right?
On
yeah,
the right.
Yeah.
Okay. Will the wind blow at this side?
The wind's coming from over. The wind's blowing us this way, so the wind would drift you on as well. So
our nose should be diagonally.
You're gonna have to bring the nose round. Once we line up, you're gonna have to bring the nose round to the left.
Okay. I have.
So you're gonna come in sideways like that. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you a land flap. And yeah. Okay, just getting a bit low, so just pull back a bit. Okay, now turn left.
Turn left.
Yeah, the wind's blowing us through. See.
Okay.
Just pull the nose up a bit because we're getting a bit low. See the red lights? Just trim if you have to. If you need. So just Pull back a bit more.
Approaching minimums. 500.
Okay, so you've got whites and reds, that's good. Lower the nose a bit. See, the wind's blowing us, it's really difficult to get back on the centre line.
So once we land, should I use the pedal or use the...
yeah, keep straight with the rudder. Okay, don't let the nose drop too much. Okay, at 50 feet you take the power off. There's someone coming the opposite way, but it's okay, it won't hurt.
50.
Okay, take the power off now.
30.
Yeah.
20. 10.
Okay, now put reverse in. Keep it straight with the rudder. And what you normally do is put the aileron into wind, like that, to stop the wind lifting it up. Yeah. Okay. You're tired. That was hard work, was it? Okay, so yeah, you can just set the park brake with stop here. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave the engines running because there's someone coming in.
Yeah.
Again. I'll just do your DVD for you.
Sure.